review by the executive committee every after 3 years, starting from the date of the first release of the royalty. So, 3 years, you the executive member, the LTPO president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, auditor, and PRO. So, dagiti na kami the executive member, they should review this every 3 years from the date of the first release. Na-release in 2020 niyan, the first release na, so 23. So, it's about time, gusto, review tayo 2026. So, may problema tayo tata, inapruban tayo dyan Constitution and Bylaws. Iti, kano tayo inapruban na yung bylaws tayo, iti March 2025. Pero iti Article 10, the bylaws tayo, under funds, kung ano dito yung section 1, i-flash mo man tama kita. Okay, section 10, page 20 of 32. Under funds, the funds of the association shall be derived from royalties, cash assistance, donations, grants, gifts, fundraising, and other legal means. So, correct. Disbursement of funds, section 2. Royalty funds of the LTPO shall be divided equally to the 16 barangays in accordance with their own barangay acts, DVP, CRTP, with acquired concurrence of NCIP chair and or other purposes that the officers may plan and approve with the affirmation of the General Assembly. The non-royalty funds of the LTPO shall be dispersed in accordance with the CRTP and acquired concurrence of NCIP chair and or other purposes that the officers may plan and approve with the affirmation of the General Assembly. Withdrawal from the funds of the association, whether by check or any other instrument, shall be signed by the treasurer and countersigned by the president and auditor. However, before money withdrawal is done, the following requirements have to be ascertained and complied to with. Money withdrawals have to be approved by either the assembly or the officers. Preparation of checks and or withdrawal slip shall only be done when a corresponding resolution is signed, passed by the officers, stipulating the amount and purposes of the disbursement expenditures. So, this, dito yung kararamilan tayo binti, every before withdrawal, there is a resolution of the officers stating the purpose of the withdrawal. The problema tayo dito yung disbursement of funds. Kung tayo dito yung bylaws, it shall be divided equally to the 16 barangays. Kung natin CRTP, dito yung ipapanan ay royalties. 30% mapan in livelihood and social development, education, mapan in training. So, there is already a talagay nga adat di question di Jai na ang nga nag-Jai kay ang nga na-align. So, the bylaws is saying we will, upon receipt, the royalty we will divide to the 16. The royalty man kung na nangyay dahil di ba mananda, 30% for livelihood, 6% for pastoy, 5% for pastoy. And with regards to the CRTP nga na Arabic, there is the ipasa ni Manong Marcos Jose na kalman, paspasaak na and then nakita nga dahito'y livelihood and so dahito'y percentages ka na Arabic dito'y that adato'y piman ito'y CRTP guidelines or TCIP. sinurot na kayo dito ko na kung dito guidelines nga di royalty ko mapanti livelihood, mapanti education, mapanti investment, mapanti emergency concerns kasi although awan din pagka ng specifics nga percentages except the livelihood kung na lang masapot ni livelihood 30%. Dahil lang talaga nga in-specify na dito yung guidelines. Nga 30% dapat mapanti livelihood, all the rest depende kanya yun. 5%, 2%, 10% kasi. So diyan mabalin tayo nga, dahil kumaki araminan tayo no, dahil yung CRDP formulation, kasi di araminan tayo. Ngayon so di inaramid tayo dito 2017. So nga gusto di inaramid na naman. And dahil lang tayo hindi nag-aramid tayo di bylaws, we did not check the guidelines of royalty disbursement. When anyway, okay ako, Sir Thomas.
Mr. President, Mr. Chair, you made mention of the CRDP with law and constitution and bylaws of the organization sa LTO. My suggestion, we follow the Conati Constitution and bylaws na we will divide it among the 16 barangays. And then from there, i-insert tayo the CRDP suggestion, the head court, na 30% like this, so it will follow. Tapos, at least, siguro, we will consider it unchecked kasi but we will follow our constitution and bylaws na we will divide it among the 16 barangays, and then from there we will insert the ICRDPT for 30%. Tikastoy, 5%, Tikastoy, etc.
Okay. Ang CRDP headquarter, it is our CRDP. Funding ng headquarter. Actually, the suggestion ni Sir Thomas, isumot lang the option na nagsasawan the officers.
Thank you.
Isunod di kalagang remedy na una tayo, we will still divide the royalty. Nga we have to make sure nga the barangay will comply with the CRDP. Actually, ito yung pinaka-best nga option tayo. Iso nga, naturot tayo nga nag-schedule the CRDP amendment, inahin tayo kumakain, ito yung may isang mga provision dito yung the CRDP will be divided per barangay, however, they have to kalagay na kasi kumain. And, yes.
I remember tinaplukan tayo the divided per barangay, but I think we made also an agreement that it will not be in not the quantity divide tayo, but in terms of livelihood projects. Well, yes. Royalty, kasi lukas pa nga rin in terms of projects na we could monitor, we have the right to know ito buti kwarta na darami dati ko ang awan diyan ang malaki ko na i-approval tayo diyan. Yes.
There is a comment from Manong Mars na accordingly during the approval of the bylaws, that there was an agreement na the livelihood projects lang divide by 16. However, I disagree kasi I was one of, actually, siya sabi din suggest na divide by 16 with the intention of distributing the royalties. Tatlohan ang stock dito yung LTFO. And at least maramanan amin ng barangays, they will be able to benefit mo na. And kami no, LTFO lang, the problema like that, there are instances na baka may siya ng barangay di papanati projects. Kasi
So indeed, we were saying that we will make the barangays to come up with their project proposal. The GT, so I don't believe that it is practical with the municipality.
No. Before we release, the agreement is before we release, they should organize their IPO. They should comply with the requirements set by the EPIPO, like a submission of bylaws, list of officers, and they have to submit their proposed projects. Yes. Yes. And then if they comply with that fund, mapalit na yung LDC fund, and then after that, they should submit some liquidations on the fund. Tadi liquidation na, then lang i-compile tayo, isubot lang i-submit tayo sa ACIP. Now, we cannot just release the fund and then napasok. There will come a time na whoever will follow after us, they will look for the money na tapanan ko yung kwarta, and then nawawan na kita ng liquidation na ipakita tayo, we might be suspected na inusar tayo for our personal so then actually the understanding the agreement tayo. And very clear nga dito sa tita ipaga dito disbursement of funds of the revenue shall be divided equally. So, hanapin na ipagagay na the livelihood, the funds allocated for livelihood is the one to be divided. Nakalagay natin yung royalty demand. So actually, during the discussions with some officers, the option is we still have to divide the royalty ay subordinate the agreement pa yun, and then we just have to enforce the what was stated in the CRBP. So I know most of the barangays are not aware or have no copies of the CRBP.